Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Thursday, the 2nd of July, 2020, about 9:30 a.m. Central Time. Well, it's a wind day. Look at all the green behind me. That's what I mean by a wind day. Metals, they tried to break the gold. They got it down from here, $23 lower, and the market has just gone up and made new highs on the day. Silver's rebounded from its low, about 45 cents. The copper market's given up some gain, as we're seeing in Chile. The BHP's plant there, they have a mine there. They're not the biggest, but it has gone out as COVID is struck there. So is it just a question before the Codelco and other mines, be it Peru and Chile, all get hit? That's what's giving copper that boost. In the stock market, I'll get to the jobless claims and to the unemployment data. Dollar down, and we're still continuing with a bit of a bid in the foreign currency market. I'd expect rains to be quiet today, the same with the bonds and the note market, and you're already quiet, very quiet in the as we look at the energies. Now remember, I will not be putting out one of these updates in the morning. Markets are basically closed except for limited electronic sessions. I'll be back to you on Monday morning. But let's go on now and take a look at what we've got. The jobless claims came in down 55,000 at 14.27, but that's still 40,000 more than the market was looking for, and you went up 59,000 on continuing claims. Now, this was taken about 2 weeks ago, when you think about that. I think the claims are pretty current. That's June 20th, so it's 12 days ago, so close to the 2-week period. Remember what has happened. States have closed since then, and these numbers are going to probably go up. The non-farm payroll, you can't get away from it. It's a strong number. It's almost, 80% larger than the market was expecting. 2.9, we saw jobs come in, up 4.8 million. So what have you made back? About a third of the jobs. The unemployment rate lower than thought, 12.4 down to 11.1, but you should expect a bounce in that number, as we know that restaurants have now closed again in New York. They're not going to open there. The bars are closing in Florida, California. I can go on and on, Texas. So you're going to see these numbers come down a little bit. Temper the bullish enthusiasm. You're going to hear Larry Kudlow all over TV positive, and he should be. Don't get me wrong. I am the one here that the glass is half full, not half empty. So I'd rather the economy do well. ISM business double the prior month, so that's a good number. Trade balance, we were looking for about a $54 billion deficit. We got it. And in the factory orders, well, this is a good number. They got 8%, but they expected it stronger at 8.7. Ex-defense up 7.6. Prior month was down 12.3. So any way you look at it, and all these numbers, positive. So there's a lot to be happy about, and that's one of the reasons the stock market is up. Now, the market's going to have to start dealing with an extended holiday weekend. Markets are not open tomorrow, and the cash and the stock markets, the bonds, the notes, foreign currencies will be open. Futures trading will go on until about noon tomorrow, so it'll be a normal night there, but you're going to lose trading in the grain market, the meat markets. So I sent out to our list of people that are my clients how the trading will work through all that. I want to remind you over this holiday, my charting course special. Today is the 3rd. 2nd, on the 5th, I'm raising the price, and it's going to go back to $199.95. I'm offering the charting course for $99.95. It includes everything, my friends. So what you do is you learn the charting technique from me, and it's a video course. Everything is online with it. You see what I do. You learn each of the steps of what I do with window envelopes and other parts through all this. The other moving averages I don't show in these updates at the end of the day. You get instant access to the videos, my market research, if you haven't tried it before, if you're not trying it right now, and our trial of our charting software. Now, we got to get you something in order to work with it. Some of you have tried it. We have 2 versions, so I'm sure we'll be able to work it out for you, so it'll be easy for you to work with. But the whole idea of how I teach is simple. I start with PowerPoint in the video. From there, I make sure you understand theory. The next thing I do is, after I've got you to understand that theory, I'm going to walk you into right away what's going on in how to apply it on a chart. So now I teach you how to do that. And whether you're using my charting software or somebody else's, you learn how to do that. The last thing you do is we put the whole chart together. Those are historical charts. In the morning, I reinforce, and that's what my morning subscriber does. Not only am I throwing out trade ideas, but I really drive in how to work with the Bollinger Bands, the window envelopes. I throw back everything you just heard in the course, and it normally takes to complete the course 2 weeks. If you put in about an hour a day, not even that. Some people race through it. Don't race through it. It's learning. It's not a race. We do make extra time available if you need it. $99.95, the whole package, you got and get something like that. It used to retail for $179.95. I promise you I'm going to $199.95. So how do you get it? You don't need a code or anything. Go to our website, under the word, and the key word there is when you get to www.iraepstein.com, education. You'll see the charting course, simple to do right then and there. That's how you do it. If you need help, call my staff. They'll be happy to help you. Other than that, I'll see you at the end of the day today, but then after that, I won't see you till Monday. You have a great 4th of July. I'm looking forward to it. Take care.